Exercise 44. The function f has a maximum at the point 3,5. The function g is defined by f of x plus 2. What is the location of the maximum of g? Okay, let's see this one. G of x is f of x plus 2. This means that g is a vertical translation of 2 units upwards of f. It's a vertical translation of f when it moves 2 units upwards. Let's see what that means. This means that graph of f moved as it is, I call this copy paste, 2 units in the vertical direction. 2 units up. So if, let's say, that was the graph of f and the maximum was here at 3,5, then if this is the graph of f, then the graph of g would have been the same but moved upwards by 2. So the new max would clearly be 3,7. And that makes A the right answer for this question.